The 2019 Kia Stinger GTS. The customer came through, didn't want to touch anything over here. Stock resonators are there. In the back though is where we did all the work. We did a muffler delete. You can't get tips. Everyone always asks in the comments about, oh, could I replace the tips? You're gonna have to replace everything. And I think, and help me out please in the comments, the difference between like a 2019 and a 21, I think the bumper changes, but drop a comment below and help everyone out that's like wondering about this, because I'm not too sure about it, but the whole channel is for educational purposes, you know what I mean? So I'm sure someone will need to know. So anyway, this thing, I seen it, it's pretty quick too. When it pulls out of here, I'm like, damn. And it should sound pretty dope with just a muffler delete, but we're gonna bring it down and let you hear it. Check out the links in the description, guys. We have merch at muffyd.com, also gexhaust.com. You can get any tip or exhaust system shipped straight to your door. We're also franchising, so I don't know, you wanna own a G exhaust, you could request a franchisee packet. All right, Jay, my man behind the camera, the man, Jay, always has the best footage. Okay.